Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you one of my protein treatment routines, starting off with freshly shampooed hair with the Argan Oil Moisture and Shine shampoo. I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, and since product absorbs better into wet hair, I'm going to be spraying my hair with some coconut water. It's rich in vitamin K and iron. It's supposed to help dandruff and dry scalp. APHOGEE is a really popular brand for protein treatments. I'm using the 2-minute Reconstructor. I'm using a generous amount on all of my hair, focusing mostly on the ends because that is the oldest and most damaged part of your hair. Protein has been really helpful for my hair journey, especially when I was transitioning. It's going to help with heat damage that you might have, and if you still have relaxed parts of your hair, it's going to help strengthen that. And as you know, I always like to detangle with my fingers first before I go in with the comb. It just helps prevent breakage and snagging at your hair. So your hair is made up of a protein called keratin. It's the same kind of protein that's in the APHOGEE treatment. So protein is what gives your hair structure and elasticity and strength. So healthy natural hair has a proper balance of moisture and protein. You have to figure out what is right for your hair. For me personally, I do protein treatments bi-weekly and deep conditioning treatments weekly. Deep conditioning treatments is going to be your moisturizing treatment, and your protein treatment is obviously your protein treatment. So I do once a month a heavier protein treatment, which is the APHOGEE 2-step treatment, which I already made a video about. And the more often ones that I do bi-weekly is this APHOGEE 2-minute Reconstructor. So just like anything else in the world, if you have too much or too little of something, it's not going to be good. So it's the same with your hair when it comes to too much moisture or too much protein. If you have too much moisture and not enough protein, your hair is going to be lifeless and limp, and that's that hydro fatigue or moisture overload that I talk about a lot, which I was just suffering from, which is why I'm doing this protein treatment. If you have too much protein and not enough moisture, your hair is going to be like rough and dry and brittle and crunchy. So that's why I'm saying it's really important that you have to find out your proper balance. So here you see, I just put a plastic bag over my head because I don't have a shower cap. You're gonna put a bonnet over that and wait for 5 minutes. And I'm using a t-shirt instead of a towel to help prevent drying. When you rinse this out, you're gonna want to moisturize. You can do a deep conditioner if you want, but I just did a leave-in conditioner, that As I Am buttercream leave-in. And I was really lazy, so I kind of just like put it in my hair instead of sectioning it. You probably want to section it so you can get all the strands. After you moisturize your hair, you want to seal in that moisture with an oil of your choice. This day I chose to seal with grapeseed oil. It's a nice light oil and it's not going to weigh your hair down. So I'm about to just finish up with these voiceovers and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. If y'all want to see the different kinds of oils that I use on my hair, then comment down below. strong, fluffy, moisturized hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there are any other videos that you all want to see, you can just comment down below or message me personally. Thanks, guys. And of course, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And you can follow me on my Instagram, which is at Melanin Maganda or at Love Tatiana with 2 eyes.